找到吗？
找不到。
这就简介了。
放弃啊？好吧，我自己找一个。
写的不知道什么鬼东西。
找到了吗？是这个吗？哦，是这个哦。不是这个吗？是这个啊。明显就是这个嘛。
这个是以往。
就是我的好吗？
这个是你的吗？
是啊，你看这里。
那就行。
来，把这个链接发出来。
看一下了是吧？
你发给他们先吧。那个链接发我一下，哦，我要看一下。Is that clear?我觉得很轻嘛。你们自己看吗？你们怎么看？你们还是过来我这里看。
我要上另外。
我觉得你就可以过来看就可以了。他们两个。 Everyone here, everyone here。我想知道我是这个麦还是这个麦？
这个蛮，
这个还是这个？
我不知道，我没看过。
那我觉得应该 OK 了。Alex 好像 Slack 也不在线。
开始吧，我们都没开，已经6点了。
我就把这个关掉了。
你要看那个评论
但是我看评论的话，
那我帮你看。好吧。
你不要看评论吗？我又看不到，因为我等会要把那个全屏了，就看不到了。
电脑可以切来切去的。
切不了啊，要按出来才能切。OK 了吗 ？OK 了吗？
开始吧，你直接开始吧。他们外国人都在。
OK， 那就开始了。反正你们也
听不懂，反正我们也听不懂。所以我们现场的朋友过来。
OK。
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's start. Okay, hi guys. Today I changed my topic to machine learning. Since machine learning is becoming the state of the art with the developing of the deep learning. So what's more, we will need to use machine learning in OB10 in the future. So I think it is necessary for everyone come to know about it. And today I will give you the brief introduction of machine learning and what is it and how it works. Okay, the tutorial divides into 3 parts. The first part is what is machine learning? The machine learning is a generic algorithm, and for the solved problem, based on the data, we will return the information that you interest. For the above 2 problems, handwriting numbers and emails, the algorithm does not change, but just input the different date. We will get the different result and solve the different problem. In other words, machine learning is just like a function. You can regard it as a black box. Input the date and get the output. There are some examples for it. Machine learning have 2 ways of machine learning. Supervised learning and unsupervised learning. For example, show you all the houses information with sale price in the most recent time, and you need to predict the new house's sale price, just like the last row. This is supervised learning. The picture just show you the file record. In reality, we need tons of the data. But if you do not know the sale price, obviously we cannot predict the sale price too. But we can also find some rule to classify them. This way called unsupervised learning. In fact, most of the case use the supervised learning. So for now on, we will focus on it. And the second part is how. I will show you a machine learning model. As the picture shows, how can we predict the sale price? Assume that I know nothing about the machine learning, so I write a code to predict the price with my experiences. You can have a look about the code. Okay, as you can see, the code is hard to cover all the situation. And maybe this way can get some achievement, but it is still hard to maintain. So I'll change our mind. We know that there are three features: the number of the room, the size, and the neighborhood impact the sale price, right? So we can use the sum of these three features, multiply their weight to predict the price. Just like the code show, and the fourth number in the code is called weight. And if we can find the best set of this weight, we can predict the price accurately. Is that clear?
No problem. Good.
Okay, now we try to find the best way of, or we call that parameter. The first step is to set the default value. Just like the code show, all the parameter has been set to 1. And, and we can get the sale price that we guess with this set of parameter. And we can also figure out the cost. And we can also figure out the cost by the loss formula as the picture shows. In fact, this is similar to variance. Then we will adjust the parameter and get the new answer. Figure out the new cost. Go around and begin again. Let the cost as small as we can. This is what we do. Also the way that machine learn. The model I just showed is called linear regression, a basic model in machine learning. It aims to find a line in space. This line is possibly approaching the true value. To make it simple, assume that we just use one parameter, the size of the house, to predict the sale price. The formula becomes the linear equation with two values. Is that simple? Just like the math we learned in the middle school. So using the linear regression to solve the linear dependent problem will get a good performances, but it is not good in other linear independence problem. But besides linear regression, machine learning also have other linear independence models such as neural networks and deep learning and so on. Okay, return to the problem. Now you know we can use the linear regression model to predict the sale price. But what about the best parameter? How can computer find the best parameter? And machine learning use the gradient descent to find it. To make it simple, I still assume that we just use one parameter to predict the sale price. Okay, and I format the formula in the other way. Pay attention to the format at the bottom of the screen. Machine learning use this format to adjust the parameter. As you can see, theta is one of the parameter, and the alpha means learning rate. You can regard it as a small positive content for now. And the last part is partial the partial derivative. If you have no idea about partial derivative, you can just regard it as how big is the parameter influencing the total cost. Okay, I find this picture to show you how it works. As we set the default value of theta 0 on the picture is the red point, and its value is W. The total loss L in the picture is just the formula J we just saw. And after computing the partial derivative, we got the slope of this blue dash. Using the formula on the top right corner, if the slope is negative, theta will increase. If the slope is positive, theta will decrease. Repeat this action for many times. The theta will close to the lowest point step by step. Okay, what about the alpha? If the alpha is too small, the gradient descent will be slow. Just show the picture 1. If the alpha is too large, gradient descent will overshoot the minimum. We use gradient descent to adjust all the parameters at the same time. Finally, after long term of adjusting or learning, we got a better set of parameters, and we can use this parameter to predict the sale price. Okay. We have what is a I give you a brief introduction about the machine learning and give you a simple model of the learning model about the linear regression, and tell you how to adjust the parameter. The machine learning use the gradient descent. And thank you so much. And if you have any question, you can ask me on Slack. And if you want to get some information, you can also ping me on Slack too. You cannot understand? You cannot understand? I explain you.
Just kidding, never mind.
I explain you by Chinese, right?
好快哦，我为什么那么快？
因为不能一边画一边什么，所以就那么快了。
要停掉，停着串不了。